I am ready for our trip.
Me too. I am very excited.
This'll be fun.
Yes. Let's go.
I am making sandwiches. We need food for the trip. The children will like these sandwiches. Okay, we are ready to go.
This is the last suitcase. Now the car is ready. We can start our trip. Come on, everyone. Let's go.
Wow, New York is so big.
Look at that tall building.
I am excited for our trip.
Me too.
This will be fun.
The view is so beautiful.
I like the green hills.
Children, do you want a sandwich?
Yes, Mom, thank you. Yummy. I want one too.
Welcome, my dear children. I missed you so much. Come inside. I made apple pie.
Whoa, Grandma's house is beautiful. Grandma, we are here.
My dear children,
We missed you.
I missed you too. My dear children,
We missed you, Grandma. We are so happy to see you.
I am happy to see you too. I made apple pie for you.
Wow, it looks so good.
I love apple pie.
Thank you, Grandma.
It smells delicious.
Morning, children.
Good morning, Grandma. The farm is beautiful.
Come with me. I will show you the farm.
Okay, Grandma.
Look, Leo, I found an egg. Wow, that is a nice egg. It is warm. I have many eggs. We are doing a good job. Leo, these cherries are red. Yes, they look very good. My basket is getting full. Mine is full too. This is fun.
Leo, catch this. Oh, hey, you splashed.
Be careful, children.
The water is so cool. This is so...
I am happy you like it. This is a beautiful night.
Yes, I feel so happy.
I love roasting marshmallows. The fire is so warm and nice.
When I was small, I was very naughty.
Grandma, you are so funny.
Tell us more, please.
We love your stories, Mom.
This is a perfect night.
I am always happy when you are with me.
Grandma, I love sitting with you.
You are my sweet child.
I feel very safe with you.
Take care of my jam and take care of yourselves.
I cannot believe 1 week passed so fast.
We had so much fun.
I am very happy with you all.
I want to stay here always.
Goodbye, Grandma. I will miss you. Goodbye, Grandma.
Please like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, please do.